Welcome back to our Doctor to Doctor series, How To. Today we're going to look at how to record detailed exam findings. Detailed physical exam findings can be documented in both other tests and in physical exam tissue selections. Physical exam tissue selections right here will give us text boxes that can display data, or the other tests can give us notes area to display text as well. Both methods provide boxes where you can add user-defined text. The text can be input by keyboard or voice. 20% gland loss in both eyes. Other tests are user-defined and are useful for findings you may want to trend over time. This keeps you from needing to search through exams to see previous findings. So all we have to do is go to the problems, procedures, other test tabs, and we can see our notes that we've made in prior exams. We can even see any displayed findings that we have with evidence documents from associated special testing. Physical examination ICD main box data will display in the physical exam right and left eye areas and alongside the problem in the CCD. Now this provides highly visible custom notes. Now the other exam finding boxes will display data in the physical exam tissues right and left eye areas. Let's take a look and see how that views. So we've entered this data in these three boxes, and let's go see how it displays. So here we can see that we've got this data displayed in both the right and the left eyes. And if we want to see a continuity of care document and see how that data looks, we can just bring it up and preview the CCD. So you can see moving down into the problem area. Right here we've got this problem. And it's encoded SNOMED terminology right here. And if we want to have some distinctive narrative notes, we can have those done right here. Makes it highly viewable for anybody reviewing the CCD. And of course, all of the findings data will display in the communication letters that you can find up here in this icon. So let's do a use case scenario and see how it works in the clinic. So if we want to enter any of the findings in other tests, you've already seen how we can voice the data into my biography here. In other tests, again, these are user-defined tests. I've defined them to go into my comprehensive exams. So we're going to add 0.2 millimeter tear prism in both eyes. I just keyed that right in. And if we want to voice the tear breakup times, we can do that right here. 5 seconds right eye and 10 seconds left eye. And we want to put in vital diet and mild staining. So let's see how we would document these detailed exam findings in the physical exam area. We would pick eyelids, cornea, conjunctiva, and dry eye, and we would process this. And in the eyelids, we have meibomian gland dysfunction that's moderate. And again, if you have any detailed exam findings, you could put those right down in here. And here we may have conjunctival hyperemia that's mild. Again, if you wanted to get even more detailed down into any of these three check boxes, you certainly could text or voice that data in there. And in the cornea, we've got punctate keratitis. Just hit that and moderate. Again, you could hand text or voice in any specific more data that you might want there. And in dry eye, we've got non-Sjogren's keratoconjunctivitis sicca, and we just finished that. Let's see how all of that data displays. So here we can see the specific detailed data that we have in here. And these detailed examination findings are going to display in both the communication documents as well as the associated CCDs. So that's it for documenting detailed exam findings. I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you've got any questions, just shoot me an email. Thanks and good day.